Hi friends, this is our project that's called Shh Surprise. You're going to use these pieces to decorate the snowman, but instead of putting a snowman face on here, you're going to put your face. So you can have your parents print a picture of you and have your face here, and this is going to be a really nice remembrance. You can either put a string on here and hang it on your tree, or you can put it hanging on the wall or anywhere you like on the fridge. You can also put your name and the date on the back. So any way that you write your name right now, you can put on the back, and then your parents can write the year. So they always have that keepsake for them. And then you can color these pieces or paint it however you would like and glue it together on here. Do your best work and have fun with it. Bye, friends.